Hi, this is Tony again. This is one of the Chindo viburnums. It has a really neat color to the new leaves, which give just an added benefit above even the regular Chindo. You can see that up close. Just gorgeous, gorgeous color. As you look down the row, you can see all that color going on. Just gives you something extra. Viburnums that make such a great fast-growing hedge. It does take a little bit of time, sometimes even 24 months, to become the roots really well established, and then you stand back. It grows so fast. A really good one to put and alternate with some of the grasses in the pots to take up some of that size and that screening while you're waiting for these to finish rooting in. But like I said, after that 24 months, stand back, keep up with them if you don't want them to get too big, because eventually it could be up to 20 feet tall.